till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't want.
Hello friend, today we are going to see how we can convert a old kerosene lamp into a decorative place where we can use this old kerosene lamp as a night lamp at in your bedroom or in your hall. So this I got an old kerosene lamp, okay, which was rusted, which I have cleaned and I have painted with a silver color, okay, with a glass over it. To convert this old kerosene lamp into an decorative piece, the components we need is some of a step down transformer, okay, generally this is 606 transformer, some filtering capacitor over here, and as this is a center tap transformer, I required 2 diodes for a full wave rectifier over here, and some LED strip or a LED lightning wire which is easily available in the market. Okay, with all this material I've already prepared. So here you can observe that I have taken 2 diodes and one filter capacitor which is 1000 microfarad 25 volt, directly have connected over here. Here I have used 2 resistor of half watt of 100 ohm, so that I can get a step down voltage of 3 volt, as the output of this transformer is 606, means 6 volt step down, but I need 3 volt. So instead of using an regulator, so we apply a simple mathematical equation, that is a voltage divider. So here, so V out equals to R2 upon R1 plus R2 into the total incoming voltage, that is V in. So here R2 R1, so this is 100 ohm upon 100 ohm plus 100 ohm into incoming voltage, that is a 6 volt over here. So he get 1 upon 2 into 6, so you get 3 volt over here. So let's see the practical, what is the output of the transformer, and after applying voltage divider network, what will be the amount of voltage we'll be getting at the output. So as you can see here, already I have built a rectifier. Here I have used 2 diodes and I have added 1 filtering capacitor over here. Okay, already I have given the connection to the mains, and let's see the output voltage. So it is 6.4 volt over here we are getting over here. So as per our equation, I have taken a 200 ohm half watt resistor which will be working like a voltage divider network over here. So I have taken a 2 resistor of 100 ohm over here. So I'm going to apply this as a voltage divider network. Okay, now you can see the LED has been glowed over here. Okay, so this is working on 3 volt over here, step down transformer. Now once I complete with the circuitry, I'm going to take this old kerosene lamp over here. So here is some space over here where I can fit a transformer over here with the help of some nuts or something, and I can take a output from over here of 230 volt, I see, which is easily available over here. So I can fit my transformer nuts over here or somewhere here very easily over there. So here first,
Don't waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. turns to sun